Mythbuster number 3. Myth number 3 is think about all these great public speaking techniques. Bam! Have you ever tried to get up on a stage and keep all these things in your head? What happens? For a lot of people, they get a lump in their throat, they feel tight, their chest gets red or their face gets flushed. It's because all of your energy is up there in your head. So what I help you do is get out of your thinking brain and get your energy more grounded. So yeah, you want to think ahead of time. You want to talk about and know good speaking techniques, but you don't want to think about them while you're speaking. You want to be so practiced ahead of time that that just becomes embodied in you and natural. So people always say, oh, how can I stop saying so many ums? It's not about resisting the ums, because as we talked about, what you resist persists. So if you stand up there and try not to say just like you try not to think of a pink elephant, it's not going to work. You're going to be thinking about it. So don't resist it, but you want to know ahead of time, well, what are some of the things that are helpful? Like, how do you stand? How do you use your body language? How do you use your voice besides whether you're projecting it or not? What are the different tonal qualities of your voice, and how do you vary it? And so, yes, it's important to know them, but not when you're getting up there to speak. Don't think about any of those things at that time. Be in your whole body energy, and you will see a huge difference.